water views. If the tide is out, mud flats and the oyster beds of nearby Drakes Bay Oyster Farm will be revealed. If the tide is in, you'll see miles of azure water. You'll climb and descend a total of 3 hills on this trail. The third one has a lone eucalyptus tree growing on its summit. At 2.5 miles, the sign marks Drake's Head to the left and Sunset Beach straight ahead. Turn left and climb through grasslands and chaparral to a confusing maze of cattle gates and fences. Watch for arrow signs along the fence. Drake's Head Trail continues southward. The path crosses a coastal prairie and ends on a high bluff overlooking the ocean and Limantour Spit, a long, narrow stretch of sand and grass-covered dunes. After a pause to enjoy the view, return to the previous junction, then go left on Sunset Beach Trail. Okay, I see what's happening here. The path levels, and in 1.5 miles you are within reach of Sunset Beach, where Drake's Estero meets up with Estero de Limantour. A large, quiet pond separates you from the coast, and as the trail continues along the edge of Drake's Estero, it soon becomes mucky and impassable for bike tires. Stash your bike and explore beautiful Sunset Beach on foot. Okay, so 1.1. So we go out 1.1, there's a bridge across Home Bay, and then at 2.5, take a left at junction with Drake's Head Beach, the Sunset Beach Trail, at Drake's Head Beach. At 2.8, maze of cattle gates, fences, and hiker gates. Follow the fence line path sign with arrows. So we have to pay attention to that. 3.2, right on Drake's Head Trail. Trail becomes indistinct in places. Keep heading south towards the bluff's edge. Drake's Head Overlook, turn around. At 6.5 miles left on Sunset Beach Trail. Previous junction, arrive at edge of pond, turn around, arrive at starting point. Okay, so we just keep making lefts when we hit those junctions.
Okay. I think you're better at that than I am.
I'm the navigator. You're the driver.
So the first thing we're going to do,
Up here.
we're
It's at 2.5 miles.
left at Drake's Head.
At Drake's Head Trail. Left at junction with Drake's Head Trail. So that should be self-explanatory. What are you looking for?
I think we're good.
Oh, here your gloves.
Huh?
Here your gloves.
Oh yeah, I need that. You don't have gloves?
No.
You want some with your fingers sticking out?
You want what?
I have some if you want it.
No, I don't need them.
Yeah, but you could.
I really don't need them. Unless you want me to have them.
Is that just one? Hey look for the other one.
Look who's here.
You just have one? That's okay, don't worry
I
about
have
it.
two.
I have these at home. Just remind me to put them in my... These are the kayak, yeah. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Awesome. What do you see when you look through the camera? I just want you to tilt it.
I don't...
You don't see nothing?
I don't see anything. Is it not turned on?
It is.
Hello.
Hi, how are you guys?
Good.
Okay. Now what?
Okay, yeah, it's straight ahead.
Alright.
Yeah, no, it's good. Oh, yeah, let me tilt it down.
What did you do?
I just tilted it a little bit. Yeah.
I want it up in the air.
Oh, you want it up in the air?
No, I don't. I
That's
wanted
what
to
I
get
said.
some of the...
I'm...
But you heard that though. Did you hear that?
Hear what?
And I wanted it up in the air. Oh no, that's too much. That's too much.
Okay, all right. You do it.
Hmm.
Dad, I did not know you were going to be here. I didn't know you were going to be here.
Honey, sweetheart, hey, how do you know that's not the trail? How do you know that's not the trail?
No, this is the trail.
What is that?
It's just the road.
Oh. Excuse us, guys.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thanks. Thank you. Thanks, guys.
Howdy.